Alrighty, it's Monday, July 14th, and I'm back here. I tell you, I love hoses, but they be a pain in the neck. So I came back here to check on the grapevine. Every week or so, I have to keep directing, as it grows, how I want it to grow. So, and I'm back here watering, giving these plants and everything, trees, a little water, because it's been devastatingly hot and everything tends to die in the heat. Really, to be honest with you, living in the South here for over 7 years now, you really can't enjoy the summer. I mean, you can have a place outside to sit, but even at night, it doesn't cool off. It's not like when I was in upper New York State, as soon as the sun would go down, it would drop 30 degrees. Not so here, But anyway, this is an update on the garden. I think the main thing in here is the grapevine. Have to check on everything to make sure it's working the right way. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this valve a little bit more. So I have to get my foot up here so I can have footing and open this valve a little bit more, just like that. And the water is coming out of the teapot at a very good speed right now. Tonight I will water the other trees back here because that's really the right time to do it. For right now, I'm just going to put this up here. Leave a hose outside with the water in it, and it'll pop sometime during the day. And then if you're not home, the water keeps just running and running and running. So you never want to go out with your hose in the on position, because if the hose bursts during the day, as I've had so many of them do, then you're going to get a pretty big water bill. So my hoses are always off if I'm not using them. So I have it set up right here where it's misting, that little area. And just came back to check the waterfalls. We're down to down to pot number 4 now. And then pot number 4 goes into pot number 5. And I just realized that it's empty. So it's a good thing I spotted that. So I learned a lot about waterfalls and pumps and things like that through this process. And still basically it was for me it was a big success because I had never done anything like this before, and I built the cement on different levels because I wanted to have some kind of waterfall that would, come down gradually. So I can see now that the water's coming in too much. So what I'll do is I'll reduce it and I'll slow it down. There should be no water under here dripping. The only water should be the water that comes out of the spout. That means it's at the right level. I have a pot here that these pots probably need to be cleaned. So what I'll do is I'll spill some water out of here and out of here, and I'll just let them fill up. Might as well go. They really need to be cleaned tonight. I probably need to drain all of them. Because they develop algae from the sun. What people call it, I don't know, moss. But anyway, that's the story. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to sit in my chair donated to me by Ashley from the bowling alley. And that's my view from where I sit.